inequalities I have copied on this side here. Okay, so the first inequality is about the cost. I want to plot this line here. Okay, 30x plus 25y equals to 3000. So I change this equation into linear form. So the linear form is negative 6 over 5x plus 120. The gradient is negative 6 over 5. The y-intercept is 120. X-intercept, I've shown you how to find the intercept, is equals to 100. So I'm going to plot this line. So I start from where? Start from the y-intercept. Here. X-intercept, sorry. I start from the x-intercept. 100, right? X equals to 100 is here. The other one, the y-intercept is 120. Y-intercept 120 is outside this region, outside my graph. So cannot plot, right? So never mind. I just use the x-intercept. So what I want to show you is that you can either use the x-intercept or y-intercept to plot the line. Not necessarily the y-intercept. It can be the x-intercept. Right? So x-intercept 100. So I plot the point 100, 0 on the x-axis. Next, I have to plot the gradient negative 506. That means the horizontal distance is 5, the vertical distance is 6. So I'm going to move which direction? The gradient is negative, so I have to move in this direction, then go up. If the gradient is positive, then I move in the positive direction, then positive. Okay, right. So show the gradient here. Now, in this case, the scale is the same. So very good. The scale is the same. So I'm going to take 50 lah. 5 over 6, I use 50, then 60. So I move 60 units here, 50 units here. From 100 until 50, it will be 50 units. Or you can count 5 squares. This time can count the squares because the scale is the same. So the next one, I move up 6. So 6, I can move up 60, 60 units. Or you can move up 6 squares, 5 squares, 6 squares. This time is okay. So once you get this gradient correct, you can continue here. 5, 6, 5, 6, and so on. Then use a straight line, join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. But make sure that you have another 5, then 6 there. Or maybe count the squares, 5 squares, then go up 6 squares here, something like that. So you join the points, and this is the straight line. And what is the name of this straight line? Yeah, 30x plus 25y equals to 3000. Now, in the exam, you have to label the line. You don't label the line, no marks, So what they look for is you draw the line correctly, form the equation correctly, you get 1 mark. You draw the line correctly, you get 1 mark. You label the line. Must label. If you don't label the line, then they don't know which line you're drawing, so you get no marks. Okay, then the next one is you want to draw the line, this one. This is the inequality. X greater than 20. So which line is the line x greater than 20? Oh, this is x20. This line is x20. Greater than will be on the left hand side, right hand side, sorry. So it is somewhere here, the region. Next one. Y minus x greater or equal to 10. So the intercept is 10, x-intercept, y-intercept also 10, right? So where I want to start? Okay, start from here, 10. So the vertical distance is 10, the horizontal distance also 10, so that the ratio is 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1. And in this case, you can count the number of squares, right? One square here, one square here. Why? Because the scale is the same, right? So how to plot this line? 1, 1, the ratio of the units. So I use 40 here, then I use 40 here. 40 until here, you see this number 40, yeah? So I draw 40, then I move up 40. The ratio is still 1 is to 1, right? But if you don't want, because the scale is the same, then you can take 1 square, 1 square, 1 square, 1 square, no problem, right? So how to plot the line? You join up these 2 points, this point and this point here. So join up. So you label it y minus x equals to 10. Okay. So actually, where is the shaded region? The shaded region is here. This is the shaded region. And you have to call it R. You have to call it R. And you put the letter R inside this region. So in the exam, you either shade it full, use your pencil, you shade this region, then you put the R there, label it either pencil or in ink, put R there. Okay, so this is the shaded region. Now